Hello and welcome to Zoom Review Show. Let's take a look at top 2 recommendations for the week. Number 1 is Do Deewane Seher Mein starring Siddhant Chaturvedi and Mrunal Thakur. Well, हर लव स्टोरी परफेक्ट नहीं होती, कुछ इस शहर जैसी खूबसूरत भी नहीं होती है. This dialogue from Siddhant and Mrunal Thakur's Do Deewane Seher Mein briefs the audience about this romantic film. Well, Ravi Udyavar's directorial tells the story of Shashank Sharma and Roshni, who meet in an arranged marriage setup. Well, the movie starts on a promising note with interesting introductions of two protagonists, Shashank and Roshni, that is Siddhant and Mrunal, where we talk about Shashank Siddhant Chaturvedi, who's an executive manager in a Korean-based washing machine company. His boss has high expectations from him. However, Shashank is very underconfident due to a speech disorder. He pronounces sh as sir. Hence, he's afraid of giving presentations. On the other hand, Roshni Mrunal Thakur is a journalist who works with the magazine. She's a confident girl at her workplace, but she also feels underconfident due to her dusky complexion and her nose shape. She also refuses to get married for the same reasons. Well, one fine day, Shashank and Roshni meet each other in an arranged marriage setup. He falls in love with Roshni immediately after seeing her, but the latter refuses to marry him. Well, curious to know the reason, Shashank follows Roshni, and impressed by his efforts, she tells the actual reason behind her refusal. Eventually, she falls in love with not-so-perfect Shashank, and the dynamics between them change as they start their courtship. After that, a major issue happens between them that leads to their separation. And will they give another chance to their relationship? That's what you'll get to know in the film. Well, Ravi does a decent job at directing the film, and he tried to make the film relevant for today's generation. However, he falls short of making it look convincing due to the average story and screenplay. Well, the romantic drama starts on a positive note but loses its grip before the interval. The second half looks completely messy as the main purpose of making the love story effective towards the climax gets lost due to overuse of social messaging on issues like colorism, social comparisons, fear of failures, commitments, and so on. Even in the second half, so many unnecessary sequences could also have been avoided. Well, Do Deewane Seher Mein shines in the performance department, and Siddhant Chaturvedi definitely looks convincing as he delivers an outstanding performance. On the other hand, Mrunal as Roshni is also powerful. There are many layers to her character, and the actress proves her acting prowess in each scene with a lot of conviction. Well, Zoom gives Do Deewane Seher Mein 2.5 stars rating. Well, now let's talk about Taapsee Pannu starrer Assi. Well, Taapsee Pannu's Assi is helmed by Anubhav Sinha and has finally hit the theatres today. Well, as we all know that Anubhav Sinha and Taapsee Pannu are a lethal combination. And after working on some hard-hitting films like Mulk and Thappad, the duo reunited for their third project, Assi. Well, Assi begins with a hard-hitting scene where a woman is left on railway tracks after being raped. The story then goes back in time where we are introduced to a happily married couple, Parima Kani Kusruti and Vinay Mohammad Zishan Ayub, who live with their son Dhruv Advik Jaiswal. Parima works as a school teacher while Vinay works at a supermarket. Their life seems to be a picture perfect, but their happiness is short-lived. One night completely changes the course of their lives. On her way back home from school, Parima is abducted by 5 men in a car who brutally rape her. A series of events later, lawyer Ravi Taapsee Pannu comes forward to fight for Parima in the court against the accused men. Well, Assi's strongest point is its writing. It is driven by conviction and stays on the right side of intent and urgency. The film's dialogues aim to provoke thought instead of chasing applause. In fact, the dialogues by Gaurav Solanki provide this courtroom drama its intellectual spine. Anubhav Sinha's direction is firm and opinionated. He clearly does not play safe. The filmmaker holds a strong grip over the narrative, allowing the story to gradually build tension. Having said that, the background score in sync with the film's theme. Well, the second half is where Assi stumbles. It lags and loses the momentum built in the gripping and fast-paced first half. Scenes start to feel stretched, and that said, there is a lack of clarity in some character arcs, and that's the reason it becomes difficult to emotionally invest in their journeys. While Taapsee Pannu delivers a fine performance as Ravi, however, it is the courtroom scenes where she truly stands out. The actress' controlled intensity and composure elevate those scenes. While Taapsee Pannu's Assi is driven by intent, solid performances, and confident direction, while Zoom gives Assi 3-star rating. Well, that's it for today. I hope you must have selected your favorite recommendation for the week. Till then, stay tuned and keep watching Zoom for more updates.